welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The price of gold has gained 0.1% in the last session. The stochastic RSI has plunged into the neutral area. The euro-dollar pair has lost 0.2% in the last session. The Williams indicator moved into negative territory. The sterling-dollar pair has fallen 0.1% in the last session. The ADX transitioned into the neutral area. The Aussie dollar pair has fallen 0.1% in the last session. The stochastic RSI has plunged into the oversold zone.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Global shares rose to levels just shy of record highs as optimism over a $1.9 trillion U.S. stimulus plan outweighed rising COVID-19 cases and delays in vaccine supplies. Bitcoin's options market continues to grow, and the large number of Bitcoin options slated to expire in a few days may themselves lead to wild price swings. Amazon.com Incorporated has filed a petition in an Indian court seeking detention of Future Group's founder and seizure of assets for violating an arbitration court's order.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The U.S. S&P Case-Shiller Home Price Indices will be released at 1400 GMT, the U.S. Consumer Confidence at 1500 GMT, the U.K.'s Claimant Count Change at 700 GMT. The UK's ILO unemployment rate will be released at 700 GMT, Australia's Westpac Leading Index at 2330 GMT, Singapore's industrial production at 500 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.